My YouTube Shorts page did over 11 million views on just one video. You might be asking yourself, cool, but why should I care? Well, that's because unless you've been living under a rock, you should know that you can actually make money off YouTube Shorts. They're literally teenagers, like 16, 17-year-olds, making thousands online by posting short form content on YouTube. I wish this was around when I was that age, but you know, we'll take what we can get. Anyway, since I make loads of videos on my channel about viral niches and how to make viral videos, I thought I'd package everything all into one video and tell you how to actually blow up on YouTube. Today, I'm going to show you my secret formula and how I go viral on my pages. I'm going to show you some examples of my pages and even the niches that they were in to hopefully put you guys on the right track. All right, first let's dive into how you can actually make money with YouTube Shorts. So the most common one is AdSense. All right, so AdSense is basically when you're scrolling through shorts, in between the videos, you see something like this, which is a sponsored advertisement. This is basically a company that pays for advertising on YouTube. So if you upload short videos, you'll get paid from companies showing advertising like this. Basically on the low end, you could be earning anywhere from 5p to 40p per 1,000 views on your shorts. Now, although that doesn't sound like a lot, if we put this RPM into a YouTube calculator and did 1 million views, you can see over here that it quickly adds up. Especially if you used to consistently get 1 million views, you can start to earn some absolutely silly numbers. Now this is called an RPM, and the way you can actually get it to increase is by location and age. Basically, advertisers are going to pay you more if you're from the UK, if you're from the US, or you're making content that's directly targeting those countries. So if you start clipping content on US streamers or UK streamers, you're going to get more UK and US audience, which means your RPM is going to go up. This is just because these areas have a stronger economy. There's more people actually buying stuff off YouTube in those countries, so they're going to pay a little bit more. So make sure the YouTube Shorts page that you make targets those countries. Very, very important. The next way to make money off YouTube is clipping. Now, when I say clipping, I mean clipping podcasters, celebrities, but not just any podcaster or celebrity. We're talking very targeted people. Basically, there are podcasters out there, there are YouTube creators out there that will pay you to clip up their content, their long form content, and then post it to social media. So for example, you could take a Logan Paul video, cut it up into a YouTube short, and if that YouTube short starts getting thousands of views, you will then get paid for advertising Logan Paul. In that same sense, you can also do your normal clipping. So you could post content like this, and a company like this will actually pay you to add their logo to your clips. Make the exact same clip that you post to your YouTube Shorts channel, you just add their logo to your video, and they will pay you for that. And what's really good about this as well is that you could get paid before you even have 1,000 subscribers. But now the question is, how do you actually make viral videos to start getting millions of views so you can get paid from this? Because clearly there's loads of people making some money, so how do you get involved in that? All right, first let me show you an example of one of my pages. So as you can see here, in this 30-day period, we did over 3 million views and over 10,000 hours in watch time. Now, in order to get over 3 million views, you probably think I've had to create some crazy concepted video. You know, I've had to probably edit for hours and hours and done some absolutely bonkers stuff. You'd be absolutely wrong, because if we scroll down and click on here, the video that actually performed the best did over 11 million views in total. Actually, just a clip of a raccoon. I kid you not, this is the video down here. It's got my logo on it. It's got a caption saying "Don't touch the grapes," and it's a raccoon eating. This video did 11 million views. This page is basically just clipping viral animal moments. This just goes to show you that you don't have to reinvent the wheel when it comes to YouTube Shorts. You can literally just do something daft like this and still rake up millions of views. Loads of examples of clipping pages you can do. You can do movies, popular streamers, basically any niche, any topic, you can create a clipping page about that. Something a lot of people have success on. I'll go into more of that later when I go on how you actually find a viral niche. Another one of my pages that I recently did a challenge on was a Minecraft AI page. So as you can see here, this video did 33,000 views, and it's literally, we go over to engagement, it's literally just a clip of Minecraft at the bottom, and I've put an AI woman on top of it to narrate the video. She doesn't even exist. I've just made her to react to the gameplay, and this video's done 33,000 views in like a week. This was a week challenge, and I already got this page to go viral. That's how insane this AI niche is. All right, so that's all well and good, but how do you find your own viral niche? Well, I make loads of videos on my channel. I'm sure you've seen them about going into viral niches, about how to make them and stuff. So depending on when you're watching this video, just have a flick through my videos, and there's probably like a top 5 niche video or like an actual in-depth tutorial on a niche. But how about if you want to find a niche for yourself, just completely off the bat? Basically, to do this, you're going to want to go over to the Shorts tab, and you're literally just going to want to scroll. And now it's as simple as this. You just want to scroll down your Shorts pad and find what's working. Now, because I'm on my Minecraft channel, it's going to give me loads of Minecraft content content because I've already done this method. But essentially you can see that this video here has done 500,000 views, and it's like an animal video. Clearly, you know, the animal react video like we saw earlier on my page is working. But this video here, we keep on scrolling, which is like a commentary channel where someone basically adds commentary over a video and narrates it, you know, like subtitles, puts some arrows on it, puts some effects on it, and, you know, calls it a day. That's done really, really well, but they've done it in like the nail polish. So if we go into this page, clip stories, clop stories or whatever, go by popular, we can see that that nail video did 3.8 million views. Mental. Literally all it does is takes clips from other people, narrates over them, adds some subtitles, adds some red arrows, and this guy's getting thousands and thousands of views. Now this is clearly a popular niche, and I found it just by scrolling on my shorts tab. Now it might take you a while to get your shorts tab to look like mine, where it actually constantly gives you ideas. The best way to get it to do this is, so when you see something like this video, you're going to give it a like, and you also want to watch the full video. This is going to tell the YouTube algorithm that you like content like this, which is basically telling it to feed you more content ideas. So the more we scroll, the more ideas we get. On this one, we've got like some dash cam footage. The dash cam niche is very popular. I won't lie to you, this method does take some time to find an actual viral niche that you can try out. You might be scrolling for a while, but it is worth it to find that niche that you actually want to do. Like I said, if you are struggling with this, just go over to the Nadob YouTube channel. I do loads of videos on niches and stuff to give you some ideas if you don't want to scroll doing this method. Now, depending on the page you actually want to make, you might need to leverage AI to make your content. Example, a really, really popular page is a page called Zach D Films, and they basically make these really cool animation shorts that get millions and millions of views. If we click on one here, you know, there's a bear trap, you know, animations going crazy, and it's basically him narrating over something cool, something sciencey. Now, you don't need a team of animators to do this anymore. You can actually do stuff like this with AI. So we go over to a site like OpenArt. You can see that I've made this AI video basically where it's what would happen if a sword hit a tree while the car's moving at super fast speed. And I've managed to make that video on OpenArt using Sora, and there are loads of these different AI tools that you can use on this site to create stuff like this. Now, I'll be honest, there are a bunch of AI niches that you can try out. People are recreating like Marvel stories and what ifs with AI. You can really do a lot with AI, and there are a lot of people using this to their advantage right now. If you are obviously just dipping your feet into AI, you probably want to check out my other videos, because I do loads and loads of tutorials on how you actually use it. Right, so after that, you should probably have picked a niche, and if you haven't by now, what are you doing? This is where the hard work starts. You need to stick down on your niche, and you need to post videos consistently. Consistency really is key with YouTube Shorts. If you don't post consistently, you know, take like a week or 2 weeks off, you're really going to get punished by the algorithm. Because as you can see here, the more videos the algorithm has, the more data it can see on who likes your videos, so the more chance you actually get at going viral. So it's really important that you feed the algorithm, because if you only give it like a few videos, you're going to be stuck in the 0 view jail. So you don't want to be there. Trust me, it's not a fun time for anyone. Speaking of the 0 view jail, really quickly, if you do get stuck in it, which is, like I say, I hope you don't, but if you do get stuck in the 0 view jail, which is basically where your videos aren't getting traction, and can happen to a lot of new accounts, because basically what happens is YouTube thinks you're a bot. What you want to do is you want to not post for 3 days, and if your next video gets 0 views again, or like very low views, don't post for 7 days. And you basically just want to keep on repeating this cycle until when you post one of your videos, it does well, let's say 7,000 views, then you can start posting normally again. Normally for a new account, I recommend you post around 4 times a week, not every day, because again, YouTube's going to think you're a bot, and you don't want that. So if you are clipping a page, make sure you remove any watermarks or anything like that, because again, YouTube's algorithm doesn't like it. Just get rid. Just don't even argue. Get rid of it now. You now know how to make money on YouTube, and you also know how to find a viral niche to get loads of views. So hopefully you have the best start at actually creating a YouTube channel going into 2026. I don't know if I could have put more information into this video. This is like the ultimate starter pack. Anyways, if you have any questions or you need any help, you can join the free Discord down below, which is basically just a huge community of everyone that's trying to grow pages on TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram, and they can help you out. I'll be in there as well, so I'll be there to answer any questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.